Let's start our exercise 11.1 seventh sum now. We'll do the sixth sum after completing this exercise. Okay. So be connected. The sixth sum is very important. Okay. So now we'll do the seventh sum. The seventh question is given cot theta equal to 7 by 8. Then evaluate 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. Okay. So now cot theta is given as cot theta equal to 7 by 8. So what is the formula for cot theta? Do you remember, students? If not, recall our what? Old Harry and his old aunt. Okay. So according to that, tan theta will be opposite by adjacent. So cot theta is its inverse. Okay. What is cot theta? Inverse of tan theta. Okay. So what if tan theta is adjacent opposite by adjacent, then cot theta will be adjacent by opposite. Okay, so this is adjacent by opposite. So now what we have to do? We have to draw a right angle triangle. The side opposite to 90 degrees is hypotenuse, and the side opposite to theta will be the opposite side, and the remaining side, that is the adjacent side to theta, is adjacent. Okay, now we'll write A, B and C. So what is given? Adjacent side is given as 7 and the opposite side is given as 8. So according to Pythagoras theorem, what we can write? Hypotenuse square is equal to opposite square plus adjacent square. So we don't know what is hypotenuse. So we'll write it as AC square. Since hypo is AC, so we are writing AC square equal to opposite side. It is 8 plus adjacent is 7. So it is equal to 8 square is 64. 8 8 is 64. 7 square means 7 7s are 49. So when we add these two things, what we will get? 64 plus 49. 9 plus 4, 13. 6 plus 4, 10 plus 1, 11. 113. So what is this? It is AC square. Now we have to get AC. So we'll shift this square to other side. It will become root. So AC is root 113. So here we will write root 113. We don't know what is the root of 113. So we'll keep it as it is since it is a prime number. Okay. No need of finding the root for this. We'll do our sum here. First bit is we have to find this 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. So for doing this, what we want? We have to know what is sin theta and what is cos theta. So we'll write sin theta here. What is sin theta? Sin theta is nothing but opposite by hypotenuse. So what is opposite side? It is 8. By hypotenuse is 113. And cos theta, it is adjacent by hypotenuse. So it will be 7 by root 113. Okay. So now what we have to find this? This is nothing but what? It is of the form A plus B into A minus B. So this can be written as A square minus B square. Okay. So here we will substitute this. A plus B into A minus B. So what it will be? A square minus B square. Here A is 1 and B is sin theta. So in place of B we will write sin theta. Sin square theta. Again in denominator also we have A plus B into A minus B form. So what it will be? A square minus B square, where A is 1 and B is cos theta. So it will become cos square theta. Okay, now we will substitute the values. 1 square is 1 minus sin square theta. What is sin? 8 by root 113 by 1 minus 7 by root 113 square. So it is equal to 1 minus, whenever bracket is there and whole square is there, this square it will get inside, and it will be with both the numerator and the denominator according to the formula what? A by B whole power m is equal to A power m by B power m. So 8 square by square and root get cancelled, and it will become only 113. By similarly in denominator also the square gets inside the bracket, and it becomes 7 square by root 113 square means 113. Root and square gets cancelled here. Okay, so this is equal to 1 is 1 only, minus 8 square means what? 8 is a 64 by 113 whole divided by 1 minus 7 square is 49 by 113. But here what do we have? Here we have a number and here a fraction, and we have to subtract this. So what we have to do? We have to change this to like fractions. Okay, so to change, what we'll do? We'll draw a line and write by here, by 1. Okay, then whatever is here, that number we have to multiply here to make it equal. So when we are multiplying anything in denominator, same number should be multiplied in numerator also. Okay, same thing applies here also. So we will write this as 1 by 1 and multiply with 113 in denominator. When we are multiplying in denominator, we have to multiply in numerator also. Okay, so now both became like fractions. So we can write it as LCM is 113. 1 into 113, 113 minus 64 whole divided by, again in denominator we have 113. So 1 into 113, 113 minus 49. So first and the last one will be multiplied. Second and third will be multiplied. So second and fourth is same. So we can cancel this. Okay. Now we will subtract and write the answers. 113 minus 64. So 3 is small. So it will take a carry here. So it becomes 13. 13 minus 4 is 9. Now here we have 0. So again we will take a carry from beside number. So it will become 10. 10 minus 6 is 4. So 49. Now what we have? 113 minus 49. So what we will get? 64. Okay. Now we will do the second bit of the same sum. So second question is 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. So in place of sin theta, we will substitute the value of sin theta, and in place of cos theta, we wrote the value of cos theta. Now here we have a number and a fraction. So what we have to do? Make this also a fraction by writing by 1. After writing this, the denominator should be same. Here we have 1, here we have root 113. So what we'll do? We'll multiply this with root 113. So when we are multiplying anything in denominator, what we should do? The same thing should be multiplied in numerator also. So root 113 in numerator also. Okay. Now here we don't have any addition or subtraction. So no need of converting this. Okay. Only one fraction is there here. So the LCM for the above numerator is root 113. 1 into root 113 is root 113 plus 8 whole divided by 7 by root 130. Here the second and the fourth one is same. So we will cancel this. Okay, what is remaining? Root 113 plus 8 by 7. Okay, is it clear? Now we will do the next sum. Next, eighth question is, in a right angle triangle ABC, right angle is at B. If tan A equal to root 3, then find the value of some 2 bits are given. So what is given? First we will write that. Okay, here tan A is given as root 3. So what is the formula for tan A? Do you all know? Now do you remember that, students? It is given as root 3. So what is the formula? opposite by adjacent side. Okay, here only numerator is there but no denominator. So what we can do? We can write it as by 1. Okay, now we will draw the right angle triangle for this. 90, the side opposite to 90 degrees. The side opposite to theta will be opposite side, and this will be the adjacent side. So opposite is root 3 and the adjacent is 1. Okay, so according to Pythagoras theorem, what do we get? Hypo square is equal to opposite square plus adjacent square. So we'll write ABC here. Now AC square is equal to opposite is root 3 plus 1 square. Here square and root get cancelled. So it will become 3 plus 1 square is 1. So 3 plus 1 is 4. What do we get here? AC square. So we'll shift this square to other side. What it becomes? Root. What is root for? 2. Okay. So what did we get? The hypotenuse side as 2. Now what we have to know? We have to write sin A, cos C, sin C, and then cos A, cos C, sin A, sin C. That means not only with respect to A. What we have to write again? With respect to C also. First we'll write with respect to A. Okay, so first we'll write what is sin A with respect to A. Okay, sin A is nothing but opposite by hypotenuse. So it is equal to opposite side is root 3 and hypotenuse is what we got? 2. So 2. Next what we have to find? Cos A. So what is cos? Adjacent by hypotenuse. So it is equal to, what is adjacent side? It is 1 by hypotenuse is 2. Okay. Now again what we have to do? We have to change the angle from A to C. That means in the same triangle we have to just change theta. Okay. So we'll draw a triangle again. And now we'll write the sides. With which side? The side opposite to 90 will be hypotenuse. But now we have to find cos C. So theta should be near C. So the side opposite to theta will be opposite. And the side adjacent to theta will be adjacent. These values doesn't change. Okay, here it will be 1 as it is. And here root 3. Okay, here 1 and root 3. Now what we have to find? Sin A, sin C. Sin A already we found. So sin C. What is sin? Opposite by hypotenuse. So opposite is 1. Hypotenuse is 2. Then cos C. Adjacent by hypotenuse. So what is adjacent? Root 3 by hypotenuse is 2. Okay. Is it clear now? Now we will find these values. Sin A. What is sin A? Root 3 by 2. Then cos C. What is cos C? Root 3 by 2. Plus cos A. What is cos A? 1 by 2. Sin C. 1 by 2. Now in between these two we have a multiplication sign. And in between these two also we have a multiplication. So first we will multiply, then we will add. Okay, root 3 into root 3 is 3. By 2 2s are 4. Plus 1 1s are 1. By 2 2s are 4. Now we got the like fractions. So the LCM for this will be 4. In this case numerators doesn't change. It will be same. Since we are having like fractions. 3 plus 1, 4 by 4. 4 1s are 4 1s are. So the answer is 1. Now the next bit is cos A, cos C minus sin A, sin C. So what is cos A? 1 by 2. Cos C root 3 by 2 minus sin A root 3 by 2, sin C 1 by 2. Now we'll multiply 1 into root 3 by 2 2s are 4 minus root 3 1s are root 3 by 2 2s are 4. Here we have same fractions and in between we have a subtraction sign. It is like 2 minus 2. What we'll get? 0. Same thing applies here. Okay. Root 3 by 4 minus root 3 by 4. So what we'll get? 0. Okay. Understood, students? Now we'll do the very important sum, that is the sixth sum, in the next video. Okay. So be connected with us.